Hello, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yo ya harkafune akkam jirtan kabajamoo barattoota keenya nageenyi keessan badhaadha akkam rafattan. Warri assalamu alaikum himbenes dhiifama isiniin jecha mee barnoota keenya freshman course economics walitti deebineeti jira. Barnoota keenya freshman course economics chapter 2 theory of demand and supply kan jirti. Yeroo darbe mata duree effect of change in demand and supply on the equilibrium jalatti we have seen that the change in the quantity demand and the quantity supply affect the equilibrium price in three conditions. Number one is when supply remain constant and the demand is changed. This can be this effect can brought three things on the equilibrium price and the quantity, and also we have seen that the effect on the equilibrium price and the quantity when demand remain constant and the supply change, that this can similarly can happen in three conditions. And for today we are going to learn the effect of change in demand and the supply on the equilibrium price when both demand and the supply changes simultaneously, whether in the same direction or in opposite direction. So kanafu